Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, please subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell icon so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others around the internet. In the last episode of Know Your Mind segment, we considered what are learning styles and gave a brief description of 8 differing learning styles. In this episode, we elaborate on the first type of learning style, namely visual learning style. Nature of visual learning style. Persons with visual learning styles process information through sight. They best learn through visual means. They prefer looking at things to absorb information rather than listening to it or using their hands. For example, they respond well when written materials are presented with helpful learning tools such as graphic displays, charts, diagrams, maps, illustrations, handouts, and videos. Because of this preference, visual learners often create drawing or writing notes to help themselves restrain information. Their focus on visual element also makes them more observant, allowing them to notice small details that others do not. When trying to do something new, they may benefit from watching instructional videos that demonstrate how to perform each step. For instance, a visual learner would learn to fix a car battery if they watch an instructional video rather than listening to an expert explain the process. Strengths of visual learners. Visual learners are able to read, understand, and remember maps, diagrams, charts, and the like. They have strong organizational skills. They are also blessed with note taking skills as they are able to put in a lot of information in a brief and sketchy way. Similarly, visual learners can remember passages from a text and their location within the text. Besides, they have skills for designing, especially when it comes to colors. Strategies for visual learners. If you are a visual learner, use these strategies to learn new information. First, write down any information you hear. Writing down what you hear in your own words helps you to stay in your memory better, as you can go back and read your notes later on. If you can type faster, you could use a laptop or a tablet to type the notes. You can also record the audio and later take down notes. Second, highlight your notes using different colors. Using different colors to organize your notes would help you to visualize and memorize the content of your notes. Third, use graphs and charts. Presenting a set of numbers, consider turning them into a graph or chart, which can help you as the visual learner and visualize concepts, thereby make learning easier. Fourth, use diagrams to connect different things you have learned. When you have to understand different concepts, try mapping them out visually. List topics and find connection between them. For the more you understand how these concepts intersect, the deeper would be your understanding of those concepts, even if they are difficult. Fifth, write down your agenda or the to-do list. Writing down things that you need to do can help you process the order in which you should do them. You can also color different tasks in different colors, which would make easy to remember them. Sixth, create your own organizational system. A good system of organizing information you have on a topic would be a great help to you as a visual learner. Having a good system of organization would help you to recall and retrieve information easily and quickly. Tips for working with a visual learner. Here are a few tips that can improve your efficiency and communication if you are engaging or working with a visual learner as a teacher or mentor. First, using visual aids often in your presentations and discussions. For example, providing maps while discussing geographic information or charts and graphs for mathematical or financial information. Second, use diagrams to break down complex ideas into simpler ones. For example, split the main idea into several smaller categories and use arrows to illustrate connections. Third, provide handouts while making presentation. For example, giving printed outline of your lecture notes or the slideshow would help the visual learners to follow your lecture better. And later, visualization and memorization would be easier. Fourth, encourage learners to take notes while obtaining new information. This would help the visual learner to keep track of what you have taught and help them to complete the given project. Fifth, when providing text-based materials, incorporate visual elements. For example, you can color code to illustrate related information or highlight anything particularly significant. Sixth, suggest tutorial videos to watch if the visual learners have trouble learning how to perform an action or task. Seventh, give visual learners extra time. Visual learners need a little extra time to process information and turn it into visuals in their minds. You must give them more time that they can come up with best answer to the question or solution to the problem. Eighth, provide them with their own space. Visual learners like to organize things in a certain way. Hence, they require their own space. So allow them to decorate or organize their office space in the unique way that suits them. A 2019 study claims that around 65% of people are visual learners. So they make up majority of the people you deal with as a teacher, administrator, manager, or in any other competence. Hence, it is important to keep this in mind when creating materials for them. The next episode we will take up for our consideration auditory learning style. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.